This was going to be a video of our new yarn section, but I thought I'd show you that we're still getting snow. And now we'll turn to the yarn. So we've got this new little corner here, not so little. So here's a quick overview. We've got some samples on the tops here of some of our yarns knit up. We've got these adorable little soapy sheep and knitted soaps and some yarn bowls, and we've got yarn bags. The gray bins are just overstock. We've got bowls and darning mushrooms, pom-poms, accessories. We've got some crazy staff. Say hello, Dano.
Hi.
Say hello, Michelle.
Hi.
And then we've got wool wash and buttons, some knitted mugs, either mugs with cozies or knitted sayings, ball winders and swifts and stuff, and these adorable handmade buttons that are made in Canada, and handmade shawl pins. So there's birds and sheep, which are adorable, and some handmade buttons. We've also got some handmade ceramic buttons, which are amazing, from a local potter here, and little Kitchener stitch tags that we get from Burning Impressions, and some handmade yarn bowls that are pottery from the same lady who makes our buttons. Look at the little bear, he's so adorable. And there are trees on there. I love her yarn bowls, they're just amazing. So that's our little yarn nook here. And then we've got some basic German sock yarns and some basic sweater yarns, some Louette. These are some of our new kits we'll be putting up on Etsy. There's some more of the fixation muffin kits, which we love. And we've got these awesome gradient sets, just beautifully dyed, from Sweet Paprika in Montreal. And they're a fingering weight set, and I love them. And then Yarn Buddies, these are from Fleece Artist, and they're Casba 5-ply gradients, or Casba 5-ply buddy pairs. So some are contrasting and some are coordinating. And then we've got our bulky yarns and chunky yarns, from Malabrigo to Cascade, some really local stuff. It even has the picture of the sheep in the yarn. And then the last of our Parks yarn, which we're really sad to see discontinued, but we'll be getting more of their yarns all the time, just the Parks is discontinued. And our cottons, this is some of our DK, this is the Faking Sanity line, so from solid kind of Eastery colors to speckles to variegateds to semi-solids and really striking colors. We've got some more Sweet Paprika in the Pizzicato semi-solid colorways, and this is our fixation that you've seen before. We've got some Double C from Fleece Artist, which is amazing to knit with. And then the last of our fingering weight Casba, or sport ply Casba, it's kind of a sport. And then we're into the cottage sock, and I'm just going to turn this now. More cottage sock, and then the Allegria, which is amazingly soft. Some Malabrigo sock, and this is our new Black Cat yarns, which are amazing, and some Swiss silk from Handmaiden. And this is the rest of the Black Cat, and a bit of yarn indulgences on the end there. And then we've got our Biscotte et Compagnie self-striping yarns, and they're sparkle yarns, and these are really sparkly. Check this out. Nothing subtle about these are bling, but super soft still. And then the rest of our Biscotte and our Parks yarn in the Merino Slim, and then these amazing art fill bundles. We've already sold out of a couple of colors because they're just so amazing, and then some semi-solids to go with them. And along the bottom we've got some Katya bulky yarn and our Briggs & Little, which is going to be a staple that we carry in. It's a really nice basic rustic yarn if you like felting or color work. That's awesome. And then our needle wall has some project bags on the top and pom-pom makers, and our sets along the corners there, and then all our needles. And we're just so excited about all of this. And then this is just to give you a frame of reference. That's the book room we showed in our last tour, and the rest of our dining room. So yeah, it takes up about a third of the dining room, but we're so excited to have all of this. This is our little spinning corner. It's the last bit. So under the yarn buddies, we've got some hand spun yarn here, and all these bins are filled with fiber, and there's some silk, some beautiful 100% Tussa silk. There's some blends that are Tussa silk and merino. We've also got some breed study stuff that's just straight Corriedale or straight merino, straight BFL, as well as some hand-dyed braids of Manos del Uruguay and Malabrigo. So, and then the last bit is sort of unusual fibers. So 100% tencel, some merino with stellina in it, some corn silk. Yeah, so, oops. Anyway, that's a little tour of our yarn nook. Enjoy, and we'll see you on the next podcast.